Lots of people will like the number 8 because number 8 is similar to the meaning with like a money fortune. But whether number 8 is really a lucky number, or is there any like a negative element inside? So in this video, we are going to mention more. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Last time we mentioned the number 4, whether it's a bad luck number or good luck number, what's the theory behind. If you want, you can refer to my previous video. So I put the link down below. You can go to check it out. And today I would like to keep going to mention the numerical Feng Shui. Okay, this time we are talking about the number 8. Whether number 8 is a good luck number and bad luck number. You know, lots of like Asian people, especially Chinese, we love number 8 because we think that number 8 is equal to like a money fortune, like a good luck. So this is in a general term. Okay, if we put in a like numerical life pattern, the number 8 is entrepreneur. So what's the numerical life pattern? Is you add up your date of birth, which is the month, the days, and then the year together. Okay, for example, if the person is born in September 27, 1961, so we add 9, which is September, plus 2, plus 7, and then plus 1, plus 9, plus 6, plus 1, add all of them together. So we got 35. And we need to downsize to single digit. So we separate it, 3 plus 5, so equal to 8. So the last one is 8. So if you are born in that time of like a date of birth, your number is 8. And 8 is an entrepreneur. So what's the special for entrepreneur? Okay, the positive for entrepreneur is abundance of life, strong sense of purpose, good at calculation, organized, business mind, practical, with strong ambition, and is motivated, smart, honest, and kind to other people. But you don't like any conflict. You want to like a peace of mind, and then you are really ideal businessman. You have a power. You have a good in like organizing. You like adventure, and then you like something excitement, and then you have a strong sense of a purpose, and you know what to do to make your business going good. So this is the positive one for the numerical like a life pattern. Okay, the negative for entrepreneur is sometimes greedy, and then too much ambition will create too much pressure to other, and too much calculation. So people will think you are some selfish, worthless, and then you want to manipulate others. People will think that you are stubborn, and then you love you just have too many interests, and then you have too many things with the negative emotion. So those are the negative side for the number 8, which is the entrepreneur. Okay, for Flying Star Feng Shui, number 8 is really, really good, especially at right now in this moment. Okay, right now I mean is in this 20-year period. Okay, you know that from 2004 up to 2024 in this period. So today, when we record this video, is 2023, so we are still in this 20 period, is this number 8 in charge period. So the number 8 is really, really good. And number 8 is the money fortune in this period. And number 8 is also related to like for our body, is related to hand. So any business related to hand will be so popular in this 20-year period, which is something like foot massage, body massage, the nail salon, the eyelash extension, they're so popular in this period. So this is the number 8. And number 8 is good in this period. And the previous period is number 7, which is from 1984 up to 2004, which is number 7 in charge. And number 7 is a karaoke. So the mouth is so popular. So in the last session, number 7 is a lucky number. Okay, more important, after 2024 is another period, which is number 9 in charge. Number 9 will in charge 2024 up to 2044. So in the next 20 years, number 9 will in charge. So number 9 is like a fire, electricity. So for nowadays, something like a high tech one, like a AI, 5G, cybersecurity, programming, all those computer related business will be so popular, although they're so popular right now. But at number 9 in charge period, they become more and more popular. And at that period, number 9 will in general be a lucky number. But you know that although number 8 right now is a lucky number, but it's not all the people would like to have a number 8, because we still need to calculate the 5 element issue. And for the numerical element, the 5 elements are so complicated. And if we want to add up to our cell phone feng shui, that will become more popular and more like a complicated. Just number 8 in general is a lucky number. But when we compare, let's say, if your cell phone number has the number like a 98 or 89, 2 digits together. So number 98 and 89, so what's the meaning? So in this 子八訣 it said that 八逢只要分起從來. Okay, let me apologize to you guys. This is like a Chinese, but the original feng shui is from China. So I would like to show you the original one and show you the detail. But I will explain to you. So in this term is good. It's good to have some marriage, some good marriage. But the last one, 火炎土燥，南離何益乎坤棍. So that is a negative meaning for 98 and 89. Okay, and other is 38 and 83. So 38 and 83 in 子八訣 is said that it's really bad for like the children, and then for other is also the similar case is bad for the children. Okay, in numerical feng shui terms, so if your cell phone has the 98 or 89, so we call this is like the start of a sickness. We'll actually have some health issue, sickness issue, and it's not really good for money, luck. It's not really good for like a friendship. And 38 and 83 in numerical feng shui is it's not really good for your love, for your marriage. You will easily have some like a marriage issue and family issue, and also not really good for money luck too. So you need to prepare for that one. So not all the X is good. We need to calculate whether it's good or bad together, and then we need to match your date of birth. This is so important. And thanks for watching. Thank you. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.